We can do it. It's raining. The weather is too cold.
I will be finished very soon. Tell me, right now where we are?
We are near Palace.
Near to the Royal Palace.
Yes. And we are going from this way.
Okay.
It's quite easy for you.
Okay. It will be easy for me.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Let's see. We can do it.
You're coming back. How was it?
Good.
Good?
Very safe.
Actually, I lost my all energy, so I need some power booster.
You want to eat nuts?
No.
Banana?
I'll have later.
You need it gasoline. Hey, we have a little bit up. This is our 13 bro.
Woo! So we are going to
Tango Cheri.
Tango Cheri. Let's go. Let's hit the road.
One of our professional rider. This is guide. And this one is, oh my god. Still rain is there.
The rain is going here.
Yeah.
A little bit difficult for us to do the gliding.
Yes. Oh, it's too cold. See, now our professional guide is also doing professional cycling riding. Woo! Now Kisle is starting to carry his bike.
It's better to carry this cycle like this only. Finish. Put it off. Come bro, show me your stunt. Yeah, so he's the stuntman Tenzing. He's gonna show his talent. Go on. Oh no. One more time. One more time. Again. Whoa, great. Finally we reach after 4 hours of riding, right? One place whose name is Nima. Nima, just tell us the name of the place now.
That one, this is that stupa, yellow, small one.
Small one, okay? Yeah.
It come naturally.
Okay.
Yellow.
This is the
Yeah, this stupa is come naturally, no?
So, what is the name of this place?
Guru.
No, I know.
This place name is called Begana.
Begana. So we finally reach Begana. So from here we'll go downstairs, right?
Yeah, BTC we go to there. Take good picture of.
Yeah. Guru Padma Sambhav. He's famous for tiger. ইয়াতে প্ৰেয়াৰ হুইলছ আছে যিটো ইয়াৰ পৰা হলি ৱাটাৰ আহি আছে আৰু এইটো নিজে নিজে ঘূৰি আছে প্ৰেয়াৰ হুইলছটো ভাই কেন ইউ গো আৰু এয়া গুৰু পদ্মা সম্ভৱৰ ইয়াতে প্ৰতিমূৰ্তি you can see These are all holy water.
Holy water.
Moja jaga. What is there? Okay. Yeah, I've taken.
Yeah, I'll take you. You stay here. No, I'll take you on picture.
So আমি এতিয়া নিমাৰ মাহিয়াগৰ ঘৰত আছো বৰ্তমান আমি অলমোস্ট 20 কিলোমিটাৰ কভাৰ কৰিলো আৰু এটো মোৰ কাৰণে বহুত চ্যালেঞ্জ আছিল আমাৰ বাইক চাব পাৰে আমাৰ বাইক এখন ইয়াত আৰু ইয়াতে আমি অলপ চাহ কিবা কিবি দিব চাগে খাম Yeah, what are you doing now? Fresh plum from the farm, right?
Yummy.
Oh, yummy plum.
I'll take one.
Energy booster. Oh.
Good na?
Sweet one, no?
Yeah.
Very sweet. Bro, we have to reach back.
Watch. Kera.
Kera ya kira?
Kera.
Kira means the lady's uniform. Kira is belt.
Oh.
Belt.
That one is. That one is Raji. Right? That one.
This one is standing myself.
So we had some refreshment with plum, some tea, and some biscuit. And some jao.
Rice crispy.
Rice.
Rice crispy.
Great. Now we are ready to continue again.
Yeah. We're not stopping now. There is lots.
So now we are going to start our ride again. You can see our condition of the bike. Huh? Oh, with camera. So full of mud. Young energy. Yeah.
You can see this one with the bathtub.
Oh, it's a
It's a
kind
traditional
of
bathtub.
traditional bathtub,
Yeah.
right?
Like, yeah. And then we do a hot stone bath here. How you know?
How?
Like, this is outside.
Yeah.
We dig mud.
Yeah.
We put inside. And then we heat up the stone, rock. We put this side.
Okay.
Because this is for stone only.
Oh.
Hot stone. Very, very hot stone. We
Really?
put here. Then water gets like heated
But
up.
we need to clean it first, no?
No, yeah, this one is old.
Yeah, this
But
one is
we
old.
dip inside.
Okay.
And then water, we sit here. Which is
Nice.
nice. And there's our main guest.
Oh,
How you
that's
feeling?
a good experience. First time riding the mountain bikes. Oh,
And you're doing good.
yeah. Thank you. It's just because of you guys.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I am finished. You can have some apple, huh? Fresh apple from the tree.
But it's green. I
Green
think
one,
this
huh?
one is like
Yeah.
little bit red, so you can plug it.
No.
Oh.
Apple is everywhere.
Yeah,
But you know, in our place, apple is so costly, no?
apple, yeah. That's why Bhutan have like apple juice.
Yeah.
Lots of apple juice, apple cider. And this guy is like
Yeah.
trying to eat.
I'll have this one, no?
Yeah.
Small one, yeah. So we reach a small park. What is the name? Buddy? Tawa. Tawa. He got some prasad from his home. is there any prayers or something?
Yes. Some ritual.
Ritual. Okay. So let's have this.
Have from there.
What you got? Plum. Lots of.
Yeah, apple, chocolate, jelly, banana.
This is my chocolate ball. Right?
Chocolate bomb.
It's a bomb. It's not coming out. Nice. Tasty.
Let's do the thing. I went home, brought some t-shirt and jacket from there home.
You're wearing the jacket, no?
No,
This
I
one.
brought from home.
You know, this one you got recently? No, you're wearing this from morning, no? Baby. Gonna do exercise? So it will work?
Yeah.
Or let's try now. They all already went, no?
Yeah, listen.
Let's try now. Let's try it. Yeah? Let's go then.
Here is Dhruva Bhagavan.